Eyewitness News at 5. Coverage you can count on.
Air conditioners are once again a hot target for thieves in Central Florida. A Longwood air conditioning company first tipped Channel 9's George Spencer about the recent spike in thefts. And George discovered what there is about the units that attracts the thieves.
It was a 10-ton unit that was stolen off from a church, correct.
For Matthew Roberts, it has become an all-too-common refrain. In this box, he's sending out yet another new air conditioning unit to replace one that thieves have ripped off in this mostly industrial section of Longwood.
Something's going on in that area.
Roberts got in touch with Channel 9 after seeing calls for stolen units jump dramatically beginning in the fall. Now Longwood police confirm they too have seen a noticeable spike in AC thefts in East Longwood's so-called Zone 4. They're working as many as 10 of the thefts in the past month alone.
People know how to take these units apart. They seem to know how to make it happen and happen quick.
The thieves appear to be using the same MO each time. They'll visit an AC unit like this for the first time and release gases from this tubing and then come back for a second visit, clip every wire, every piece of tubing so they can make off with these valuable coils. After a dramatic fall in 2008, the price of the copper in those coils has risen steadily over the past year to as much as $3.50 a pound right now.
It took them some time. There's a lot of screws. You can see all the screw holes around there.
Robert says a basic alarm might let you know if someone's tampering with your unit, but fully caging and locking the unit is probably a better deterrent until Longwood PD's ongoing investigation zeroes in on a suspect. In Longwood, George Spencer, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
Now, because the thieves are stealing AC cooling units this winter rather than heaters, Robert says some victims aren't even noticing the theft until long after it happens. The amount of copper in each unit varies, but thieves are not making a lot off any of them.